Hi, this is Teacher Fikri, and today I'm going to teach you on how to bounce and catch medium-sized ball with grading, full or partial physical prompt. So as you may or may not know, prompting means to guide or to assist. So how can you assist your children to play this kind of activity? For starter, full physical prompt, try to teach them to grab ball like this, holding elbow, and then assist to bounce ball and then bounce first, then focus on catch. Teach them to catch with assist both arm to grab ball. And when it comes to partial physical prompt, it's slightly lesser prompt compared to full, which means that maybe this time they need a little bit guidance to maybe to bounce a bit or to catch a bit. So example, to slide push to bounce, slide push hand to catch, and etc.